Hi, I'm Christie Clarkson, Marketing Specialist at Power Factors. Today I'm back here with James Resetco, our Director of Product Operations. James has been with Power Factors since 2020 and oversees the development, launch, and management of our products. Hey, James, great to see you again, and thanks for chatting with me today.
Hey, Christy, thanks for having me back. Looking forward to our conversation.
Last time we talked, we went over some of the expectations and realities of building your own software for renewable energy management. Another approach we often see is using different vendors for various functions like asset management, performance monitoring, and financial management. How does partnering with a single vendor that offers an integrated suite of products and a unified data system benefit organizations managing renewable energy assets?
Yeah, so most of us use integrated product suites in our daily life. There's many benefits to being a user of, let's say, the Google product suite. You've got added functionality where you can embed and share files that are stored in Google Drive. You've got integrated workflows where when, let's say, you receive an email about an upcoming flight, you've got Gmail to automatically add that to your Google Calendar. And you've got the seamless access where you can log in and switch between applications very easily. And having an integrated product suite is naturally easier to use. It gives you the option to have drill downs and click throughs between products seamlessly. It gives you streamlined operations and your day-to-day workflows. And it gives you a consistent user experience and language, as well as better usability. So if you've ever switched between using an Apple computer and a PC, or you've switched from Android to iOS, you know the pains and frictions of relearning and adapting to an entirely new user experience. So having that be consistent across products is really helpful. Another benefit is that it simplifies your vendor management. So procurement's oftentimes a time-consuming process where you're vetting vendors that you don't have direct experience with. But if you already have a partnership with a trusted vendor, they can provide you guidance and education about the industry best practices and what solutions exist to meet your needs so you can make the best decision for your business. One other benefit of having a single product vendor is going to generally offer you more opportunities to bundle or find other pricing benefits when working with an integrated suite of products than buying separate products from different vendors. Especially in an industry as quickly evolving as renewable energy, having an integrated product suite can help you adapt to these changes as your business evolves, which could mean moving into new asset classes. So if you're focused on solar today and preparing to expand into storage, an integrated product suite is going to make that transition that much easier. Also, if you have a new business goal or operational undertaking, let's say you're an asset owner looking to bring more maintenance work in-house, using integrated tools is going to reduce the friction and allow you to onboard that new product without needing to fully onboard all of your assets and all the metadata that you had to do originally when you first brought those sites online.
Let's dive deeper into the concept of a unified data system. Can you explain what this framework includes and how its key components, such as common asset models and standardized metadata, and hence data management and support better decision making?
Certainly. A unified data system includes many backend components and architectural design decisions. But most notably, it's going to have a common asset model, which entails a standard representation of the physical assets of your devices within a digital system, which includes their attributes, metadata, and their relationships to each other. Another common piece of this system is going to be centralized data. So this is having a single source of truth for the data that's used to populate your most important reports, your interface, calculations, analytics, and everything else. Now, getting into some of the benefits of this unified data system. First off is going to be improved efficiency and less wasted effort. So having that standardized model is going to mean that you can onboard a site and its devices one time, and all of that relevant metadata and attributes are going to be shared across the rest of that product suite as you manage various aspects of that site. It's also going to be easier to track down the source of problems or errors with this data when you only have a single place to investigate. So that unified data model is going to enhance the reliability and ease of implementation of your more sophisticated analytics. So that way, the data models understand what inputs are required to make those advanced calculations and models trustworthy. Now, on the flip side, not having a unified data set and a shared backend can leave you with disconnected data between disparate systems. And so you may have even experienced this type of disconnect. An example might be a field technician dispatched to service an asset based on outdated information when the issue may have already been resolved remotely in a different system. You may have submitted crucial end of quarter financial reports only to find that you need to amend them or resubmit them because you had a pending backfill of data or a correction to data that hasn't been propagated between solutions. So these are just some of the ways that this unified data model really helps to improve the quality of decisions that your team can make and the confidence with which you can make those decisions.
Thanks, James. In our next video, we'll talk about Power Factors' journey and the advantages of our expanded solutions. See you then.
Sounds good. See you then.